Welcome to our geometry series. Today, we are going to explore the most fundamental concept in all of geometry, the point. While it might seem simple, understanding points is the first step to mastering shapes, lines, and space. So, what exactly is a point? A point is defined as an exact location in space. It is not a physical object. It has no size, no width, no length, and no depth. When we draw a dot on paper, we are just creating a symbol to represent that location, but the actual mathematical point is infinitely small. To keep track of different locations, we need to name them. In geometry, the standard rule is to use capital letters. So you will see point A, point B, or point C. This helps us communicate exactly which location we are talking about. It is important to understand dimensions. A line has one dimension, length. A plane, like a piece of paper, has two dimensions, length and width. But a point has 0 dimensions. It is the building block that has position, but no magnitude. How do we describe a location if it has no size? We use math. On a flat surface, we use a coordinate system. By using two numbers, called an x-coordinate and a y-coordinate, we can pinpoint any specific location relative to a center point. Sometimes, points line up perfectly. When 3 or more points lie on the exact same straight line, we call them collinear points. If a point lies off that line, like point D in this diagram, the set of points is non-collinear. Points are also where things meet. When two distinct lines cross each other, they intersect at exactly one spot. That spot is a single point. This is a fundamental rule in geometry. Points are the ingredients for everything else. 2 points create a line segment. 3 points can form a triangle. An infinite number of points at a set distance from a center creates a circle. Without points, we cannot define any shapes. To visualize this in the real world, think of a GPS map. When you drop a pin to mark a destination, that pin represents a point. It marks a specific where without telling you how big. It is purely location. Let's review what we have learned. A point is an exact location with 0 dimensions. We label them with capital letters, and they are the fundamental building blocks for lines, shapes, and the entire world of geometry. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.